Alright, we have 4 effects channels on this board. We currently only use effects 3 and 4 because 1 and 2 are being used by our CD player and MP3 player inputs. The main faders for effects 3 and 4 are located in page B. And this works much like the buses do, where the main faders are here. Page B13 corresponds with effects 3, and 14 corresponds with effects 4. And you can use the faders and the mute buttons to turn those on. The main faders will correspond to how much of that effect you are applying to the channels you select. You can think of this as a gain per se. Then once you have the master faders up, you can actually go into effects 3, and this is where you'll select the channels you want that effect to apply to. So for example, I'm going to do 21 and 22, and then once our master fader is up, the channel faders here will then apply that much of the effects to these channels that I select here. Once you have your channel selected, you actually have to go into the processor to control the effects that you want to use. So to do that, you hit this Lex button, which the lexicon is our processor for our effects. Up here at the top of the touchscreen, you can see processors 1 through 4. Again, we will only use 3 and 4. If you click on 3 or 4, you can go down through the effects. We have 29 different effects that we can choose from, and you can choose which one that you like. The more common ones we will use is ones like a large hall, which will give you kind of a reverb type of sound. And then we also have others such as the pitch shift, which we very rarely use, but would give you kind of a fun, unnatural sound to the channel. Once you select the effects that you want, you can use the faders to apply more or less of that effects to the channel. Some effects will have different controls within the processor. You control that with these knobs here and some of the touchscreen components. You can change some of the components of each effect, and to do that you would just use the knobs here and some of the buttons on the touchscreen. We do have some delay effects, and these are a bit different than our other effects that we use. When you choose these effects, on 3 and 4 here, you will get a blinking light under this tap button. This basically allows you to have a delay that will go along with the beat of the music or whatever speed you choose to tap that button.